Lares Chica, matapang na ibinulgar ang isang balitang napakatagal nang hinintay ng mga Dondel fans. Ibinulgar ang katotohanan ng isa sa pinakamalapit sa magkasintahan. Ibinulgar ni Tito A ang totoo. Saad niya, not everyone grows together. Not everyone goes through the hard parts and stays soft with each other. But sina Donnie and Belle, pinapatunayan nila na they're about building something real. They're about choosing each other every day and protecting what they built forever and always.